This remedy is a bomb for diabetes, cholesterol, infections, and many more. If we start eating foods high in negative cholesterol or saturated fats, even though we can absorb a little nutrients, we will fill our body with fats and problems that can even be fatal in some way. A clear example of this is blood pressure. When we consume too much fats, they clog the blood and cause serious health problems. But do not worry that with this natural remedy, you will finish fat and cholesterol naturally. The remedy that ends with cholesterol, diabetes and fat. Ingredients: 4 organic lemons, 1 ginger root, 4 heads of garlic and 2 liters of water. Method of preparation: wash the lemons well and cut them into small pieces. Also, peel all cloves of garlic. Put the lemon, garlic and ginger into a blender. Proceed to mix it until a good texture is achieved. Place the mixture in a bowl. And stirring while boiling. When boiling, turn off the heat and wait for it to cool completely. This mixture should be glued and placed in a glass bottle preferably. Use: you should drink a glass of this mixture 2 hours before each meal, preferably not an empty stomach. This should be done for 3 weeks in a row without interruption, then rest from the treatment for a week and proceed to do it again. Because each part of this remedy is natural and has distinct benefits, there is no need for you to take anything extra to enhance its use. The week of rest is to give the body time to absorb all the nutrients without problems. Do this regularly to reduce your high blood sugar levels, cholesterol, and other infections in your body. Diet tips for diabetics. Diabetes became an epidemic throughout the world. Healthy lifestyle and proper diet can prevent such complicated physical conditions. A balanced diet plan should include low-fat, highly nutritious, and average calorie-rich food. Here are top 10 diabetes diet plan. Spinach. Spinach and other leafy vegetables can be added to your diabetes diet plan. They are full of phytonutrients, folate, magnesium, and dietary fiber. These foods cannot create any impact on blood sugar. Rather, insoluble fiber can absorb carbohydrates to balance glycemic rate. Nuts. Walnuts to peanuts all have great contribution to control hyperglycemia. But remember, high-calorie diet are not recommended for diabetic people. So consume it very little quantity. Consume them by sprinkling on curd and salads. Cinnamon. If you do not prefer spice and you for a diabetic purposely, add cinnamon powder in your every diet. Numerous medical studies have proved that 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder can lessen the fasting blood sugar levels and increase the insulin sensitivity. Olive oil. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant-rich olive oil provides sufficient nutrients to the body to protect from cardiac arrest and infections. It slows down the carbohydrate absorption and controls sugar levels. Lentils. Lentils are the smart option to manage blood glucose levels. They contain soluble and insoluble fibers which play a crucial role in diabetic activity. Soluble fibers are converted into gel which blots up sugar naturally. Insoluble fibers are released from the body without storing as carbohydrates. Cucumber. Cucumber hold 95% of water in its total weight. Water plays a crucial role to flush out toxins and a plethora of sugar from the body. As a result, the blood sugar levels get minimized. Papaya. Being a great source of antioxidant and a low-sugar fruit, it stimulates insulin production. Papaya is a wonder fruit for diabetes. As it contains low sugar quantity with sweet taste, it balances the glucose level in the body. Milk. Milk is the ideal combination of protein and carbohydrates. These components regulates blood sugar levels. Drink milk twice a day without sugar to get a healthy diabetic-free body. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.